Thokozane, this is Coco Tablamanzi in Tibula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome to the family. Those of you that have already subscribed, Thokozane, guys, thank you so much. Those of you that have not yet subscribed, please go do so right now, and do not forget to leave me a comment down below. Ask questions, guys. I'm gonna answer you when I get time, because I'm also busy, and when I get time, I'm gonna answer. So I'm gonna respond, you guys. So today's video is about maphupho labika impumelelo. Maphupho labika impumelelo in your life. So maphupho labika impumelelo, what you need to know ukuthi maphupho lanjalo, maphupho la ukuthi na uliphupha lelo phupho, like alipheleli emkhatsini. Wherever that you're going, you reach your destination. Wherever that you're going, you reach your destination. So maphupho la bika impumelelo / nelona nenhlanhla. I'm gonna mix the two. So maphupho la bika impumelelo, maphupho la bika nenhlanhla. Maphupho la bika impumelelo, ungaphupha driver imoto, and a very expensive car, very expensive. Ungaphupha driver a very expensive car, driving a car. Ungaphupha uwela mfula, uthole umfula wakhona umkhulu or uyathusa or mncane, maybe maybe lo mfula wakhona unetinyoka phakathi, and those snakes are trying to bite you, but like you are crossing, and then you reach the other end, uyawenca. Loko kuchaza ukuthi kubika impumelelo, mara le mpumelelo yakhona ihamba nebunzima. Yebo utohlangana nebunzima, you're gonna face hardship during your journey. It might be your spiritual journey, it might be whatever that you are currently pursuing in your life. So utohlangana nebunzima, mara utonqoba and utofika la uyakhona. You are going to win, you are going to conquer. Lawo maphupho abika ukuthi abika impumelelo, because you have crossed. Yebo, there were snakes or crocodiles inside that water, mara ukhonile kuwenca lo mfula loyo. So other dreams, like ungaphupha lona bathini, ungaphupha maybe ugijinyiswa, like people bagijimisa bagijimisa, uthole ukuthi nabagijimisa like number 1, like abakubambi, like uyabashiya, or maybe uyagijima nebantu mara like ubamba number 1. Lokho kubika impumelelo ukuthi utophumelela. Yebo utofacana netinto, okunebantu labatozama ukudelaya or something, but utoba number 1, utophumelela. Sometimes ungaphupha bathini, ungaphupha usendzabeni, ungaphupha maybe ukhuphuka indzaba. Yebo, most of the time I know ukuthi say maybe nabathi uphupha bulona ugibela indzaba, it means hardship nana ukuchaza bunzima, mara into lofane uyinotice ukuthi iphupho lakho liphelela kuphi. Because ngiyento lengicela ngayisho nangicela le video ukuthi you must notice ukuthi iphupho lakho licala kuphi liphelela kuphi, so that you can interpret it, you can understand ukuthi what was that dream all about, what was it saying or indicating, or belikutshelani, yabona. So nawuphupha ugibela indzaba, nakuyagibela indzaba, so uyahamba, and then uyaphaphama. Loko yebo it means ukuthi you are gonna face hardship, and hayi kancane, you're gonna face hardship. Hey, it's not gonna be easy. Mara if uphupha ugibela indzaba and then you reach the top, Yes, it means ukuthi yebo, along the way you may face whatever, but you're gonna conquer and then utowina. You're gonna achieve whatever that you're doing. You're gonna I don't know, like utowina on your spiritual journey. You're gonna grow. Angeke uhlale ubusy, ube stagnant, like uvalelekile in like in darkness. Nganento le move in your spiritual life, your calling. But now hamba leyo ndzaba leyo ufike eTulu, it means that kunempumelelo. There's something that is happening in your life that you are gonna prosper. Lendo le ulwa nayo utoyincoba, utophumelela. Cause it might be ukuthi sometimes uhamba nebantu khona lapho kule ndlela, and then nihamba and then uyaphaphama solo niyahamba nini, okay loko vele akukho right. But sometimes uthothi uhamba wedwana, maybe uhlangana nalabanye bantu niyofika leTulu, kuyakukhomba ukuthi yebo utohlangana nebantu endleleni yakho labatokuncedisa ku-whatever journey that you are currently embarking on. And then you are gonna prosper, you're gonna win, you're gonna achieve whatever that you wanna achieve in your life. Like your spiritual journey itoba i-success, tovuleka la ufuna ukuthi kuvuleke khona. And then mawuphupha okay, say uphupha okay, imali le yemaphepha ne, imali yemaphepha sometimes ibika tinto letiyi-two. Sometimes ibika i-hardship, or maybe sometimes uphupha ma bakunika imali yemaphepha, or maybe uphethe imali yemaphepha, next thing iguquka ibe bathini, ibe ma-silver. Naloko kubika impumelelo. Kumbe sometimes utithola uphupha different currencies, different money currencies in your life. Yakukhomba ukuthi like something is gonna happen in your life, something you are gonna be very prosperous, you are gonna achieve different things in your life. So there are a lot of things that we can talk about concerning maphupho la bika impumelelo. Maphupho la bika impumelelo, what you need to understand, maphupho la ukuthi nawuliphupha lelo liphupho uyancoba, aliphelele emkhathini, you must reach your end. Nangokuthi ugibela lidwala lakhona uyaligibela ufike eTulu, lo chaza ukuthi yes, it's not gonna be easy. Ufanele uqale caleni uzofika eTulu, and utofika yebo utodzinwa. Cause nangokuthi uyaphupha ugibela lelo lidwala and then or leyo ndzaba and then uyahlala somewhere, lo chaza ukuthi hey usatolwa, and you're still gonna give up, go again, give up. But if you keep on going until you reach the top, it come ukuthi you are going to win. Keep on fighting, don't give up, keep on fighting. Kusele kancane, keep on fighting, keep on going. You'll never know, tomorrow lendo loyikhalelako you might get it, or even today. So thokozani guys, this is Gogo Tablamanzi, insizwa kaMathebula. Stay blessed, love you guys.